I'm excited to begin reading The Great Gatsby with all of you. In order to access my notes for being able to read along with me, you'll want to create an account with activelylearn.com. And so I'll just take you through a really quick tutorial about how to sign up for that. Once you go to the page, www.activelylearn.com, you'll want to go to the Sign In button. Once you click Sign In at the top right, it will bring up a page where if you haven't previously created an account, you'll want to create one. And you can see in gold right here, there's a circle around the Create an Account button. You'll click that. Once you do, you just say that you're going to be a student. Click that button, and that will bring up a page for you to create an account. This is my example, so my name, the username I created for myself, and the password. And once you put all of that in, you'll click the button Sign Up right here. It will say that you're joining a teacher's class, and you'll say yes. And you'll join my class using the code IG40U. So you'll type that in as the class code and then hit Complete Sign Up. Once you do that, that will take you to my class and give you the opportunity to click on The Great Gatsby. Once you do, just a quick note about navigating The Great Gatsby. Up at the top, there is a blue book that has the letters T0 or TOC, that's Table of Contents, and you can click on the Table of Contents and navigate through the book. There's also the ability to change the font. You can do searches, so the little magnifying glass, if you want to look up some keywords or characters' names, you can do that as well. And then, like I said, you'll have access to all of the notes that I have provided as well. Looking forward to having you join me.